Hello and welcome to Deck Builder San Diego, where we talk all things outdoor living. In this episode, we are going to talk about deck lighting, how to choose fixtures and layouts that keep your space safe, simple to use, and built to last. Good lighting does not have to be complicated, but it does need to be planned. We start with safety. The first places we look at for lighting are steps, landings, and changes in level. These are the areas where people are most likely to trip after dark. Small lights installed in risers, on sidewalls, or under stair noses can gently wash light onto the treads without blinding anyone. The goal is enough light to see each step clearly, not a spotlight in your eyes. Next, we look at access points like the main door to the deck and any doors that connect to patios or side yards. A good fixture near each entry helps you see thresholds, door hardware, and the immediate area. From there, we think about low-level lighting along railings or under caps to define the edges of the deck and make it clear where the space ends. There are a lot of different fixture types to choose from: stair lights, post-cap lights, under-rail strips, and recessed deck lights all have their place. We choose based on how the deck is built and what materials are used. Composite deck surfaces, such as boards from brands like Trex, can work well with low-voltage lighting that tucks into trim pieces or hidden channels, keeping wires out of sight and protected. We also think about controls. You want lighting that is easy to turn on and off, ideally with the option for timers or simple automation so lights come on when you actually need them. In many cases, we group circuits so you can turn on just the safety lighting, like steps and entries, without always turning on every decorative element. Durability matters, especially in a coastal or high sun area. We look for fixtures and components that are rated for outdoor use and can handle exposure over time. Wiring should be protected from damage, and connections should be accessible for future service. Planning these details before the deck is finished makes everything cleaner and more reliable. Finally, we consider how the lighting supports the way you use the space. If you like quiet evenings, subtle, warm light is usually better than bright, cool light. If you host larger gatherings, adding a bit more light near tables and cooking zones can help. The idea is to support your daily use without turning the deck into something that feels overlit. If you are ready to add or upgrade lighting on your deck and want to make sure it is done safely and cleanly, you can reach our team at 619-903-35 or visit https://toughdeckbuilderssandiego.com. At Tough Deck Builders San Diego, we design lighting into the deck project from the beginning, so it feels like part of the structure, not an afterthought. When deck lighting is planned with safety, simplicity, and durability in mind, your outdoor space becomes easier to use and more enjoyable at any time of day. Thanks for listening to Deck Builder San Diego, and we will see you in the next episode.